Hi there, welcome to the new video. Today I'm doing a US military M1 Abrams tank. I use the Chromolux board as the background, and the black and white is opaque colors, and the rest of the colors are transparent. I already laid down the full white for the tank with the negative stencil as the first step. And now I'm doing white for the background. The ruin is also part of the stencil set. And also there's a palm tree. So this is now for like a quick background, using just white in different opacities. So, and now I'm starting the stencil work for the tank. So first I'm using a full black. And there you can see the palm tree that's also in the set. So this stencil set has 2,000 vector points, so there are 2,000 small details in the picture that you can like paint in 7 minutes, and it's highly detailed, as you can see. And now there comes two gray stencils. So this is the darker gray, also painted with the opaque black. And everything there is painted like 70% opacity, so that you use dark gray. And now comes the light gray. So everything is painted now in this light gray. What you always can do is, if you can work in the stencil, so do you make some parts darker than others. So, and now there is the desert paint, I think. It's like the light brown yellow thing. If you want to paint it like a blue or green, that's when you can change the colors. So now I'm using the light brown and the yellow to do the desert colors. And now I'm using the full red for the background. And this is the cover stencil for the tank. This is a positive. The negative I used to paint the tank in white as the first step. So the cover stencil has two options. So for one, you can cover the tank and do the background. And as a second, there are like 4 parts in there that you can use as a pattern for the final white. So there are 4 parts in there so that you can do the perfect positioning of the final white. So I highlighted the tank at the outside, and now I'm using the yellow to do a nice orange background. And this is red again. So there you can see the white positioning points, and they are the identical with the white in the final white stencil. So even if the stencil is used and dirty and you paint it for the 10th time, you can find the perfect position. And there you have it. So what I do now is I'm working with very low pressure, and I'm moving the needle very fast in and out, so you get small dots, so you can achieve like a dirty look on the tank. So this is the palm tree. You can do it in full black. And also in the set are some stars. So, and the final star spangles are also done like the dots in the tank. Low pressure, fast movement of the needle. Hope you liked it, and you can subscribe my channel for